To help us through this story, we're joined now by Pamela Ambler in Hong Kong, where stocks there have slumped by more than 3%. Pamela, we're just 7 days into 2016 and China has set a string of new records. The market triggered the circuit breaker for a second time in 3 days. Are you able to explain what caused the sell-off?
Sure. Well, not only did they set new records, they did set a new record today. The circuit breaker was triggered and it was the shortest trading day on the mainland stock exchange in the 25 years it's been around. And why that is, well, a lot of people are pointing fingers at the yuan currency. The PBOC, which is the central bank, allowed the currency to weaken to a new 5-year low, a fixed devaluation we haven't seen since the major move back in August. That's putting a lot of selling pressure on mainland stocks. And then we have the geopolitical tensions, even though North Korea may have explained that the nuclear test was a response to U.S. hostility. Experts say it's a result of deteriorating relationships in China. And the tests were really a show of defiance directed towards Beijing. And others, they're blaming the circuit breaker mechanism itself as a source of selling pressure. Investors, they fear their holdings becoming illiquid, triggering the exact event that they fear. So a self-fulfilling prophecy, if you will.
Pamela, in response to this volatility, regulators and the central bank have both stepped in. What sort of measures are they taking to stop the bleeding?
Well, the PBOC has been very busy the past few days. First, they injected $20 billion through the open market system, buying up shares, trying to calm markets. But it's actually more interesting what the securities regulator has done. Remember, we're coming up to the end of a lockup period this Friday, which is tomorrow, where major shareholders could unload shares after being mandated to hold for 6 months. Today, the new rules came out saying they can still sell, but get this, they're restricted to selling only 1%, and they must notify the market 15 days in advance. And that new rule is effective starting January 9th. There you have it. Back over to you.
Pamela Ambler in Hong Kong, thank you.